Okay, we're on problem number 7, and we're given these symbols again, the greater than, equal to, less than, and we're replacing the box. And this is just another exercise of applying negatives properly, determining which number is greater or equal. So it could be greater, equal, or less than. And looking at number 8, again, we're just going to solve the missing uh, block of information. In some cases, it's the answer of division, the fraction, or sometimes we're just looking for like a numerator or a denominator. Again, these are fairly simple math problems. If you have any problems, you can certainly contact me regarding that. And our last problem, we're given here, find the values of the following expressions. Given that x is equal to -8 and y is equal to -4. So you simply have to input that value. Let's take a look at the first one just quickly. We have x plus 2, all right? So if we have x plus 2, and they tell us that the x value is -8, so we have to say -8 plus 2, and we're going to find the value of that by simply adding the two together, and we see that the answer here is -6. Okay. Um, let's take a look at, say, E. We have xy, which means x times y, and our x value is -8, and our y value is -4. So we're simply multiplying -8 times -4, and we're going to get a positive number, and the question is simply what's 4 times 8, and that would be 32. So again, these are fairly simple problems. If you have any problems with division or multiplication, it's gonna certainly expose it. But what's most important is understanding how to apply the negatives, and that's really what this dividing integers, this whole lesson is really focused on, handling the positives and negatives. It's not really to teach you how to divide again. And it's going to be important, especially as we move on into algebra. As you can see, we didn't see an x. Well, we saw it on number 5, and we saw an x on number 9. But as we move forward, you're going to see a lot more x and a lot more y. And that's the end of this lesson.